Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, as a lot of people asked me to provide some information on Canada recovery benefit, so that is what we are going to discuss in this video. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask guys. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, like we all are aware of CERB that went through all the way starting from spring when things turned in a different way due to COVID-19. Now a lot of businesses have opened, no doubt, but still a lot of people are getting affected, and a lot of people are still, under the affected state for long. So for all that, they have the government of Canada has launched Canada Recovery Benefit. So this gives support, financial support to employed and self-employed individuals who are directly affected by COVID-19 and they are not entitled to EI benefits. So this is not something those who are entitled for EI benefits. And this CRB is administered by CRA, Canada Revenue Agency. If you are found eligible, you get $1,000, $900 after taxes withheld for a 2-week period. Okay. If your situation continues past 2 weeks, you need to reapply, and you can apply up to a total of 13 eligibility periods, 26 weeks. So 26 weeks, if you break down, it's around 6 months between September 27 and 2020 and September 25, 2021. So around out of 52 weeks, for 26 weeks you can be covered over here. And now they have given the section, so let's go through each of them. Who can apply? To be eligible, you must meet all the following conditions for 2-week period you are applying for. You were not working for reasons related to COVID-19, you had a 50% reduction in your average weekly income compared to the previous year due to COVID-19. You did not apply or receive any of the following: Canada Recovery Sickness Benefits, Canada Recovery Caregiving Benefit, Short-Term Disability Benefit, Worker Compensation EI, Quebec Parental Insurance Benefits. You were not eligible for EI benefits. You were present in Canada. This is very important. You reside in Canada, you are present in Canada, because a lot of people say they are like, people have questions, so like they are out of Canada, are they eligible? A lot of citizens ask this question, so this is clearly written over here. You have a valid social insurance number. You have earned at least to $5,000 in 2019, 2020 or in the 12 months before the date you applied from any of the following sources. So let's see what are the sources. Employment income, total or gross pay, net self-employment income after deducting expenses, maternity and parental benefits from EI or similar QPIP benefits. Okay. You have not quit your job or reduced your hours voluntarily on and after unless it was reasonable to do so. Okay. You were seeking work during the period either as an employee or in self-employment. You have not turned out reasonable work during the 2-week period you are applying for. So there are individual links. I'm going to put the link in the description. Once you go here, you can read all these links because that will be very helpful for you. You need to meet all the above criteria. If you are not, you can review other options. Okay. Alright. So how much you can get? We already discussed that for each period. The impact on your tax. So the 10% tax withheld source may not be all the tax you need to pay. When you complete your personal income tax, you may need to pay more or less depending upon how much income you earned. Okay, yeah. So you must report the CRB payments that you receive as income when you file your personal income tax return. So probably next year we will see some modification in tax calculator. Okay, periods you can apply for. This also we have discussed. Your eligibility ends after 13 occurrences. This we had already discussed first. Open for application. The next application, all periods, eligibility end. Okay, how to apply? So this we know it's going through CRA. Have you applied for Canada Image Generation or before? No. Have you ever filed CRA Canadian tax return? Yes. Do you have a CRA My account? Yes. Are you able to successfully log in? Yes. Great, you can apply online. Next, go set up direct deposit. Is your direct deposit up to date with CRA? Yes. Then it's fine. Do you receive provincial territorial social disability assistance? Yes. You may want to consult them. No, then proceed when to apply. You may start applying on first Monday after the 2-week period you are applying for has ended. Okay, so I mean after a particular 2-week period is ended, then you are supposed to apply. Apply online or by phone. Okay. So this the second option is by phone, but I would suggest online. Let's see if I can show you something over here. Definitely I cannot share my personal account details, but I'll log in and I'll see if there's something I can show you. I need to freeze. So I clicked on login. So I have this sign in partner, so I'll proceed from here. Okay, so I've logged in into my CRA account. So on the main page, like I have hidden certain sections. You can see there's a link to apply Canada Recovery Benefit or Canada Emergency Response Benefit. From here onwards you can go ahead and apply next, and from here you can proceed. I'm not going to proceed with that because I'm not applying for this. So that's how it works, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. Thank you, guys.